The Waves Bazaar. And what is Waves? It's a world of audio, visual, and entertainment summit. It is NFDC Cinemas in India. It is by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, the global marketplace empowering media and entertainment. So let's just talk about the Waves Bazaar from a person out here. Let's see who's there. Okay, so this is what it is. Create an India challenge, connecting creators, connecting countries.
Yes.
And this is a bazaar means it's a marketplace where you buy and sell. Well, let me.
One more thing, actually we have different segments like under Waves Bazaar, CIC is there, that is Create an India Challenge. In that you can participate, I guess.
No. Just tell me about it now.
As well as Wavex is also there, and Waves Bazaar is a segment. So this all three segments, CIC, Wavex and Waves Bazaar, comes under Waves.
Waves.
So
okay.
yeah, Waves is some like main our major thing.
Platform.
Yeah, exactly.
So the platform, what do y'all do? In this platform, what do y'all do?
Basically, Waves Bazaar is an e-marketplace where you can meet buyers as well as sellers. You can sell your content if you are a content creator, if you make animated videos, if you are a graphic designer, or like gaming, if you are into gaming or VFX or audio, virtual reality, gaming segments. All these segments comes under this. Like you can sell your content through this all the segments.
You can sell your content. There'll be people who can buy it from you guys.
You'll meet buyers as well as sellers.
So y'all are instrumental in getting the buyers and sellers.
Yeah, actually, buyers and sellers are registered with us.
Okay.
Many more, like more than 7,000 buyers as well as sellers are registered with us. So you can meet, you can do meetings, B2B meetings you can do, and you can sell your content through this platform.
Wow. I have this Studio Witty in which I can read that it is the first pre-production software for what? Software for what?
Maybe this is for AI.
AI. Okay. AI enabled of over 1 million plus efficient and enhanced algorithms to ease out modern day film needs. So y'all are stepping in a big way to AI, right?
Correct.
So well, these are people startups.
Yeah.
Okay, and actually people who are interested can come to you guys.
Yes, they can register on our platform, Waves Bazaar, and through that platform only they can meet the buyers and sellers. Are there,
So filmmakers, producers.
directors, content creators, we can say, related to gaming, audio, virtual reality, filmmaking, as well as animations, we can say.
Okay, so animations and all of that.
Yes, exactly.
So what is the age group?
There's no age limit. There's no. Everyone is welcome.
Anybody who has a talent can come.
Exactly.
Right, and with the AI which is there, I think the younger generation is much better equipped than the older ones. I'm sure. Right? So all of you guys, students out there who really want to do something as for creators, can come and join. Can register themselves
On wavesbazaar.com.
wavesbazaar.com, and you are good to go. So that is whom am I talking to?
Aman Gudradil from NFDC.
So you are Aman from
NFDC.
NFDC. It stands as
National Film Development Corporation.
okay here in Delhi.
Yeah.
So great meeting you, and I hope that you can help people around. Okay, thank you.
You can also do one thing. You can.
So you asked me that I can share this.
Yeah, for more information, you can just scan this QR code and you'll get each and every details related to Waves Bazaar, Create an India Challenge, Wavex, and all the things.
Thank you so much. Okay, guys, you can for yourself discover what to do.